What's up, everybody? Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Little red Mustang just got here, 1965, powered by a 289 automatic transmission. Power brakes, real nice driver quality car. Older restoration with a few paint flaws, but real nice cruiser. Drives out real well. We're gonna go through this puppy. I should say pony. I'll let you take a look for yourself. I just got done driving it. Drives out real well, brakes well, handles well. No crazy noises. Over suspension, just tight, fun to drive, good power. That interior, super clean inside. No rips or tears. Horn is inop, as well as the temperature gauge. Is what I noticed. It's got dual sport mirrors. Body, solid quarters in the back, original. Freshly done 289. All the fluids have been checked. All your hoses and belts are in good shape on this car. I just went through a PDI. That's a pre-delivery inspection. Front chrome is in good shape all the way throughout. Lights are all working. Turn signals are all working. 289 badge, because that's what it is. Front fender lines up the way it should. All your glass in front is good. Wipers are working. All your chrome around there is in good shape. All your glass on the driver's side's good, as well as the rear and passenger side. Nice gap. Little older restoration, like I was saying, little bubbles in the paint down in here. I'll touch this up, this little scratch, I'll get that handled. Door to quarter in good shape. All the way throughout. Little imperfections in the paint, but great driver quality. You get off the car, it looks wonderful. Roof line is good. Original quarters in the back. Trunk is in really good shape. Clean inside here. Just nicely done. Trunk lines up exactly the way it should. It's gapped out properly. Rear chrome bumper, dual exhaust, all in good shape. Bottom valance as well. Passenger rear quarter, good. Lines up well to the door. Couple little bubbles in the paint again on the bottom, but if you get off like right there, you can barely see them. Just want you to know what you're getting. Fender to door, just the right gap. Little tiny bubbles going here. It's a much older paint, but it's in good shape and shines great. I mean, here, I'll get off of it. You can see for yourself. Lines up good. It doesn't need to be painted. It's a great driver. Let's fire this baby up so you can listen to it. Nice sound, automatic transmission. Radio turns on, I just can't get any sound to come out of it. So maybe the speakers just need to be hooked up. Your dash is in good shape. Headliner nice and tight. Listen how nice this sounds. Here. Original C code car. Let me give it a little gas. I'll take some pictures of the underneath so you can see them online at our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Real nice car, great value. A lot of fun, these ponies, a lot of fun. This one just handles really nice. Let me get off of it a little bit so you can see. That could be in your driveway. If you're looking to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 739, please go to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Again, that's mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car you're interested, hit apply now, minimum down 10%. And we'll finance up to 84 months if approved. If you're a 740 and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. That's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down. Again, 84 months. Approvals usually within 24 hours. 84-month term as well. We are over 100 vehicles in stock, ready for immediate delivery. Our website is mgmclassiccars.com. We have all our pricing, video description, as well as pictures online. We ship all over the United States, bonded and insured, open and enclosed. If you have any questions on any of our cars or need quotes on shipping, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. We are located in Addison, Illinois, 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, Saturday from 10 till 2, by appointment only. By appointment only, just so you know. Call me, 773-600-0919. I'll get you in. You can spend some time with your car and get you happy. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me with this beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang 289. Let me know if I could help you in any way. Have a great day, everybody.